So guys, one of the problem that a lot of YouTubers face on YouTube is getting the watch hour. Seriously, 80% of YouTubers face that problem. In fact, they get their 1,000 subscribers and then they start looking for the 4,000 watch hours. Yes, it's only few YouTubers that normally get their 4,000 watch hours and then start waiting for the 1,000 subscribers to be complete. So if you are among those that are still looking for watch hour, please watch this video, because the one tip I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is going to help boost your watch hour. Seriously, I'm not even capping, I'm telling you the truth, because it has worked for me, and I believe that if you put it into practice, it will also work for you. Now, this video is not going to be too long. I'm going to go straight into the tip. So guys, getting the 4,000 watch hours has been a very big problem for me. I've been trying different methods, different techniques to get it, but it wasn't working. And seriously, I actually know that there are some shortcuts you can follow and you get your 4,000 watch hours fast, sharp. But I said no, I don't want to follow that shortcut. I want to do things right. You get. Now, what are these shortcuts I'm talking about? Number one is doing silent live stream. Now, silent live stream is not like it is easy, because you need to be buying data and make sure you are always on live. You get. And what is silent live stream all about? It's just like you setting your camera and then put it somewhere that maybe there's little light and off the mic. You won't be, even though you are talking in the room, nobody will be hearing you. So people can join, and when they see that it's vehicles that are passing by, or it's trees, or it's just lights they are seeing, so they can spend 1, 2, 3 minutes and they will go. Another person will also join, and like that, YouTube will be calculating the amount of time each person spend, and before you know, daybreak, you will get up to how many hours you get. So that is that for live stream. Another way, in fact, this one is raining now, is Restream. Restream is just you going to their website to get a clip of their video, and it can be 1 minute long, it can be 30 minutes long, and you put it on loop. Loop is like repetition. You keep repeating the same video, so people keep joining, and when they join, they finish watching that particular video, it will restart again, and they'll be like, oh, I've watched this one now. They will move, another person will join. That's why some people that normally do Restream, you see that they have 200,000 views like that. So it also helps, but I don't want to go through those corners. So I said to myself, what am I now going to do for me to be able to boost my watch hour, for it to increase? So I started going live. And mind you, it was not silent live stream, it was not Restream, it was normal live stream, where I get to show my face and talk to my audience. I get to interact with them, and it has been helping me. When you want to start going live, don't just go live and then you do it for 20 minutes and you are done. No, except you are too busy, you can do it shorter. But if you really want to go live, my guy, create time, spend time. Even though there's one mistake that we normally make on our live stream is you go live and you are now waiting for people to join. You are waiting, hey, who is going to join me today, who is going to, even though there's nobody there, just start talking, start saying anything, because later when that video goes live, like when you finally post that video, people that were not online that time, they will see the video and they want to watch it. Imagine somebody clicking on your live stream and be like, let me just see what they talked about in real life. All the person is hearing is, where are my people? Please, people should join. I'm waiting for you guys. Then you keep quiet for like 5 minutes. No, the person will just swipe. But when you start your live stream, make sure you have something to talk about when you start, because you might not have anybody to join you at the beginning, but later they will start joining. That is one thing I've noticed about live stream. So don't just be there quiet and be looking at yourself. No, be saying something. How are you doing today? Even though there's nobody there, just be saying something. And always come live, always be consistent. It will help you. See, I'm not even joking, this live stream has really helped my channel to grow. You get. And another secret that people don't know about coming live is that it will also help to increase your subscribers. I get to see people on my live stream and they will tell me that, oh, I love you, I love your beautiful face, and I just subscribed. You get to see them, because when you go live on YouTube will push out that live video to different people in different parts of the world, and they will join. You can do one live stream and you get 50 watch hour. I'm telling you, you can do one live stream and you get 100 watch hour. It depends on how long people stayed in that life. You get. So in case you are looking for watch hour, you have not started going live, please, I will ask that you consider it. Oh, see, this is my own personal opinion. When I said I don't really like silent live stream, I don't really like restream, it's for my own personal reason, because this my channel. The harm that has been done to this channel is already okay. I don't want to cause any other damage to this channel. So you might want to do restream. I'm not saying you should not do, but do it carefully. You might want to do silent live stream. I don't say you should not do. Please do it wisely. Do you get? So that is what I'm trying to say. But if you know you really want to increase your watch hour, try and be connecting with your audience. Try and be coming live more often. Spend time. It's not just by coming live 20 minutes, 10 minutes you are out, 6 minutes you are out, 30 minutes you are out. No, you can do live for 2 hours if you are less busy. Do you know you can? The other day I was sewing with my sewing machine, and I was on my live stream. So when I sew and I see comment, I respond to it. I continue my sewing. You can be cooking and be doing your live stream. You can be doing something at home and you'll be doing your live stream. People that want to stay, they will stay. I'm telling you. So try this out and you'll see how your watch hour will increase. The way my watch hour is increasing now, hey, I wish I can be going live every day. Every day, I would have just been doing it. But it's not easy. You know, buying of data is not a joke, right? But I will do as much as I can. One day I'm going to come here and share my success story. You get? I will share when I get to that 4,000 watch hour. I'm going to share with you guys. You guys will see the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for your support so far. Thank you for your love. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.